the transformation charter and goals. The VFT Discovery Report is the starting point for building transformation projects based on lagging KPIs of your venture. This single view of your business is the start point of beginning transformations that will lead to improving the health of your venture. The Transformation Charter and Goal Setting tool will help you create a roadmap, map out resources required for each transformation, put a timeline on action items, monitor the progress of transformation projects, document the benefits of achieving each transformation. Once transformation projects have been activated, the Transformation Report will help you capture your startup's transformation journey. It will capture how your startup team leveraged strengths, available resources, and mentor feedback to implement the recommendations given. This tool will capture critical changes, improvements, and learnings that occurred during each transformation project, and help you set targets for the next 12 months with respect to each transformation. For example, if your transformation project is focused on revenue improvement, the report documents the revenue targets your startup needs to achieve in the next 12 months. This tool has 7 sections or tabs. The guideline page contains instructions that help you understand how to use this tool. The summary page helps you capture the different transformation projects undertaken as identified in the discovery report. In case of changes, do add a comment to reflect the same. The Summary Sample tab is an example of how you can fill and use the summary sheet. Likewise, the Transformation Sample is an example of a pre-filled transformation sheet. The next 3 tabs, Transformation 1 to 3, help you capture the details of each transformation project, the various steps involved in executing the project, and the expected outcome. You can select the project name from the drop-down menu while the start and end date is auto-populated. The cells marked in light brown are free text cells. This tab has 2 sections. The Transformation Roadmap Implementation Milestones section helps you detail out the steps taken within this project, the expected outcomes, and the time taken to complete the steps. Some of these steps may be activities or tasks, while a few may be milestones. Use the drop-down menu to select if the step is a task or milestone. The Outcome section helps you detail the expected outcome of each of the steps taken in the Roadmap section and decide the targets for the next quarter to a year. Do note that Jobs Created is a mandatory field. The VFT Transformation Consultants and Incubators will help you implement the first 2 projects while enabling you to implement the following projects independently. You can use this template to continuously identify and document new transformation projects needed for your startup that will help it grow and scale.